Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make instant chicory coffee. This delightful drink is a fantastic alternative to traditional coffee, offering a unique, earthy flavor. It's incredibly simple to prepare, requiring just a few basic ingredients and minimal time. You'll learn the essential steps to create a warm, comforting cup that's perfect for any time of day. Let's get started on brewing your perfect chicory coffee. First, measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant chicory granules into your mug. Next, heat about 8 ounces of water or your preferred milk until it's hot, but not boiling. Carefully pour the hot liquid over the chicory in your mug. Stir well until all the granules are fully dissolved, ensuring a smooth and consistent drink. This simple process takes just moments. Now, let's talk about making it your own. You can easily adjust the strength by adding more or less chicory to suit your taste preference. For a sweeter drink, stir in a spoonful of sugar, a drizzle of honey, or some maple syrup. If you enjoy a creamier texture, a splash of milk, cream, or your favorite non-dairy alternative works wonderfully. For the best experience, always stir your chicory coffee thoroughly to ensure all the granules are fully dissolved, preventing any grittiness. Don't hesitate to experiment with different chicory-to-liquid ratios and various additions until you discover your ideal flavor profile. Once perfected, take a moment to savor the rich, earthy notes of your homemade instant chicory coffee. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.